All right. We have got something special today. It is not a repair video. We are actually going to check this bad boy out. It is a phone holder that is on a microphone boom arm, so you can move it wherever you want. Got it off Amazon, listing right here. And I guess I'll review it. So inside this box, we have a few accessories / components. We have warranty card, I believe, a manual, and the boom arm itself, and some clips. These were in a bag. They are no longer in a bag. Can you believe this is not my first take? Anyway, let's get these bad boys open, and we'll see what we got. All right, as you can see, not too bad. I just thought I'd check these out together. Where would I normally put these? I would guess one would go right there if you're charging. Maybe another right here. Maybe another right here. And the last one over here too. All right. I think that's good to go. Let's set the phone up so I don't have to keep holding on to this thing, and we can get some actual steady footage so we're not all motion sick. All right, we're gonna snap it into the phone there with a little ratchet, and you know, other than the noise it makes, as you can see by the shadow, that's pretty solid. I think that's all right, to be honest with you. And if we add the mat, yeah, we could be a Dank Pods ripoff channel, or you know, something. If he can get over 1 million subscribers with a 2008 iMac and shoving his iPhone in between that iMac and a desk, I think we can do something with this channel. So anyways, sorry for the completely scuffed review, because most of it was getting the piece of equipment that I need to make the rest of the videos not look like hot trash. So, yeah. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. I will post this exact piece of equipment, meaning the camera mount, in the description, and I'll also post to the actual repair channel that I'm going to do, which is why I got this thing. Mainly any tool I get for that channel, we're gonna review here. Any repair is gonna happen on that other channel, so we're gonna kind of commingle, you know, make a little thing. All right, please put your hate comments down below, and let me know how I absolutely messed this up, because I can't learn unless you absolutely flame me and tell me what I did. And I think that's it. See you later.